it.
Squeeze it. It's slime now. Woo, look. Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban. That's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing basic slime for beginners. So stay tuned. DJ requested this video. This is for you, DJ. Hope you have fun. The first step is to put the whole bottle of glue into the bowl, like this. Next, put the baking soda in.
All right, we have 1/2 tablespoon there.
Next, we're gonna put 4 drops of food coloring into the bowl for color, but this step is optional. Now we're gonna mix it. Oh, it's turning green. This is what it should look like. Woo! Now we're gonna put the contact solution in there.
And that's 1 tablespoon.
Woo! Now we're gonna mix it again. Woo! Oh, it's slimy now. Oh, look at that. Now I'm gonna put my hands in it and knead it. Yeah.
Squeeze it.
It's slime now. Woo! Look. Oh, wow. Slime. Oh, it stretches so far. Woo! Now we're gonna play with it. Oh, look at that. Thanks for watching. Bye. And remember to subscribe. Bye.